Hey everybody, we are staying here at the Kidani Village at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, and come on into our DVC 2-bedroom villa. We're in room 7724. Well, you're exactly in the way.
Get out of the way. Run.
Alright, so you walk in and immediately to the right you have your laundry. And oh my goodness, so many lounge flies. Our room came with lounge flies. That's very considerate of them. Because it is a DVC room, there is laundry. And to the left, oh, there's a bathroom as soon as you walk in. Nice little mirror. Hey guys. Oh, look at the tile, that's very cool. Oh, nice little shower head. Actually, pretty nice bathroom, I have to say. Pretty decent size. I mean, there's lots of room in here. Lots of room. All right, we'll continue on out. Hello. Oh, it's raining. We'll go over here to the right. And right off here, this all closes off, which is interesting. So this is almost like a lock-off unit. Here's another big closet, huge closet with more stuff. Good big shelf there. Oh my gosh, look how cute the artwork is. The monkey leaps only as far as it can reach. Cute. All right, we'll walk in here, and this is another bathroom. Very, very large. So here's your little toilet closet. I mean, I have to say, this is very spacious. Look at all that room there, but next to the toilet. Like, this is lots of space here, guys. Beautiful mirror and light fixtures. Makeup mirror. It's just the one sink, but look at all the counter space. Lots of storage underneath. And just another little, this is like a replica of that first bathroom we saw. Disney products. Oh, look at the tile here. The tile's different. This is all the animals. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. Graphs. All right. We'll continue out. Another little closet. Lots of space. I mean, oh my gosh, the storage here is crazy. All right, and this is your 2-bedroom. Really cute map. Wow, how cool. So map of Africa. Look at the light fixtures, how pretty. And the tapestries behind the beds. Wow, and just the head, I mean, look at the headboards. How cool is that? I love that. I don't know who's sleeping here. It might be me. I may have tagged this as my own bed. A nice little bench here with storage underneath. This is very deep. You can use this for sitting or for setting your stuff on. Your TV. And this has 2 drawers on either side. And then this compartment at the bottom that opens up. Lots of storage space in there. You have your rack for your suitcase. If you're here to do work, they have a little desk area. A nice little mirror. And really cool detail on that light there. And you have your outlets here. 3 regular outlets, USB ports. It is raining, but this is the balcony, y'all. Look. Hey guys! It goes all the way down. It's like the balcony is the length of our room, which is very cool. Alright, nice little ceiling fan, which is appreciated today because it's 1,000,000,000 degrees. Alright, we're walking back out to the main area. My family. So here's the kitchen. What do we have there, Vanna?
We have a freezer. We do have some ice trays. They're actually full.
Oh, what service? What service?
Awesome.
Anything else you'd like to point out? Oh, lots of water.
Water.
That is nice. I mean, that's actually very welcome. Thank you.
Toasted.
Yeah.
4 holes.
Yeah, that's very nice. Another little ice thing. There's a bar here, which is nice, and it comes with 2 stools. A little table here with a bench that could seat at least 3, maybe 4 people. 2 chairs. It could seat 4 if you have children.
Yeah, it could if they want crowded.
Another beautiful light fixture. Really pretty art bowls behind the table. Nice big TV. And then here we have more plugs, USB ports, 2 more outlets, and then over here 2 more USB ports and outlets. 2 drawers on each side, and look at the cute little animal motifs on them. How adorable is that? We have a chair. Does this pull out? Yep, I think this might make into a bed. There are sheets on this. There's some more African-inspired art. I love this, the whole curtain thing.
Psychedelic thing. The whole African thing.
So we have the balcony again, and you have just the daytime curtains, but you also have like blackout curtains too, which is really nice for anybody who's sleeping out in this main area. This couch pulls out. Nice big coffee table, another big side table, more lighting. I appreciate all this lighting, especially when you have a bunch of people and people are reading in the evening and you don't want to keep everybody up. Some more African-inspired art. Another side table with a lamp and your phone, your thermostat and the light switches. And the kitchen is your standard DVC, so you have your oven and stove and your microwave, fridge and freezer, toaster, coffee maker, and all the accoutrements. You have all of your glassware, mugs. I'm surprised that's empty. I feel like usually there are colanders up there. But you have your plates are underneath, your pans, your cooking utensils. Corkscrew, y'all. Might need that. Then here you have your dishwashing stuff, trash can, silverware, towels, pot holders. Here's your Pyrex, your mixing bowls, more Pyrex. There's your colander. Out of the kitchen. In here we have the master bedroom with a humongous bed. Beautiful nightstand. I assume there's a Bible in here. Lots of room for storage under there. That's a beautiful lamp. Looks like an egg. Is that like supposed to be like an ostrich egg? That's kind of cool. Beautiful headboard. I love that. Another beautiful entertainment center. You have your TV, your double set of USB and outlets, 3 drawers on either side, plus another slot in between, another luggage rack, another little desk area, another seating area, some more African inspired art. Y'all, this room is stunning. This room is amazing. Here we are at the other end. I mean, look, this room can see like all the way down, and our balcony goes all the way down this way. This is incredible. Amazing. And we still have the master bathroom. Here we are. Oh, it is so dark. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful sunset tile work. Oh, look, that's beautiful. Huge, huge tub. Oh my goodness, this goes all the way about up to my shoulder, and I'm 5'10", and I have long arms, so this is a very deep tub with jets. Really, really nice tub. Here is our sink. Again, it's kind of interesting that it's just the one sink, but you do have a ton of counter space, so I guess that's good. Here is your little toilet closet. It's interestingly smaller than the one in the, oh hello bog bag, in the other bathroom, but the bathroom itself is obviously much larger as it's the master.
I don't need help.
This is the bathroom. What do we have here, Dad?
That looks like a shower to me.
Look at the tile.
Yeah, oh, a Savannah tile.
That's Savannah tile. Giraffes and elephants. You see some zebras, wildebeests. It has a bench. You know I love a bench. Nice little shower head. It's
I
actually
haven't made one yet.
You want to demonstrate how the bench works?
Body wash, just a shampoo. Now I'll show that to my wife.
The shampoo? Oh yeah, didn't she try to wash her hair with lotion?
Well, she, you know, gotta keep an eye on her.
All right, and then in through here, we have another ginormous closet. That's your safe. Ironing board, iron, and your extra stuff. Very, very cool, guys, very cool. Here we go, right out to the main area again. So that's it. That is our 2-bedroom villa at Kidani Village at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. It is stunning. Please let me know in the comments if you've stayed in one of these 2-bedroom villas, if you've stayed at Animal Kingdom Lodge, if you stayed at Kidani Village. Thank you guys so much for taking the tour with us. I will probably have another video just of our stay here, just clips from the restaurants and the animals and the pool, and so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much for joining us. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye. All right, what's next, Don?
Bed check.
All right, let's do it. Bed's not outside, goon. All right. 1, 2, 3. How is it?
Soft.
Does it pass the test?
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's hard and soft.
Hard.
We gotta try the other bed.
All right.
Maybe this one. Oh. Ew.
Did it check out?
Yeah. Now it's time to take a bath. Yeah, take a bath time.
Do you approve of the tub? Is it a good tub?
Yeah.
I mean, look at it. Look how big it is.
Jets.
There are jets. I did check for you. I knew you like a jet. All right, how do you rate this room?
20 out of 10.